Mommy wasn't recording. Do it again. Look at that big girl. You're doing such a good job. Yeah. Come on, do some more. Get off that, Ayla. Come on. Show me how you can swim. There you go. A big girl. Yay, Ayla. Go fish.
I want to do it again.
Okay, come on. One more time. Look at you swim. I'm not even 3 yet, no floats. Big girl. Okay, grab the side, get some air.